Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and taking benefits from our video lessons. Okay, before going to start our today's work, first I will tell you our today's moral lesson. And moral lesson is keep your surroundings neat and clean. जैसे कि हदीस मुबारक है कि सफाई निस्फ ईमान है। हमें अपने आप को ना सिर्फ साफ़ सुथरा रखना चाहिए बल्कि अपने रूम को, अपने घर को और अपने इर्द गिर्द के माहौल को भी साफ़ सुथरा रखना चाहिए। टुडेज़ मोरल लेसन इज़ कीप योर सराउंडिंग्स नीट एंड क्लीन। दिस इज़ योर इंग्लिश लेसन एंड आई एम योर इंग्लिश टीचर. Before going to start our work, I will tell you today's topic, that is revision of reading, page number 46. So you will take out your primer A. This is your primer A book and open page number 46. This is page number 46. Hurry up, open it, and first we will read the heading. Now this is it is a or an. On this page we will read the simple sentences. Now you will see this first picture. This is an aeroplane. THIS this, IS is AN, AERO aero, PLANE plane, aeroplane. As you can see here they have used an because aeroplane is starting with the vowel letter. Okay, now come at the next picture. This is a house, HOUSE, house. Now you can see the next picture. Wow, this is an elephant. Now read the sentence. THIS this, IS is ANN, ELELAPHANT, fant, elephant. Here P and H gives us which sound? First sound. Okay, now read the sentence again. This is an elephant. As you have seen, again there is use of an because of vowel letter, because elephant is starting with the E. E is a vowel letter. Now come at the next picture. This is the picture of a bird. Now read the sentence. THIS this, IS is ARBIRD, bird. This is a bird. Okay beta, now come at the next picture. You can see this is a gate. Now read the sentence. This is a GATE, gate. This is a gate. Okay beta, now come at the next sentence. This is a picture of an igloo. Now read the sentence with me. THIS this, IS is ANN, IG egg, LOO, loo, igloo. This is an igloo. There is again use of an because igloo is starting with I. I is a vowel letter. Okay. Now you will put a date and C.W on this page. Now come towards our today's topic of classwork. Today we will do classwork on workbook page 24. So take out your English workbook and open page number 24. Here you can see page number 24. On this page we will do two concepts. First we will do use of he, she, she, his, his, and her, her. Use of he, she, his, and her. And then we will do use of this this and that, that. First beta I will tell you the use of he and she, his and her. Now use of he and she, this is used in place of names of people. As we have different people around us, their names Ahmed, Ali, Sarah. Instead of their names, we will use for them he and she. Now we will see where we use he and where we will use she. Now look at this picture. This is Ahmed. Ahmed is a man. Now you can see this is Ali. Ali is a boy. Now we use he for man. He is a man. And he again for the boy. He is a boy. It means we use he for the male genders. For male persons, he can be a doctor, a farmer, father, or man, or a boy. Now look at this. He plays with a ball. He is a caring father. Now here we see that to avoid the repetition of the name, we use he or she. Okay. Now look at this. Sara. Sarah. Sarah is a woman. Sarah is a woman. 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 Now what we use for the woman or girl? She. She is a woman. Now look at the next picture. She. She is a girl. So we use she for the female gender. Okay. Female gender can be a doctor, mother, woman, lady, or girl. Okay. Now come towards their things. Now look at this. Dash jeans are blue. Now tell me who is wearing a blue jeans. You can see the picture. Boy is wearing a blue jeans. So here is written his, HIS, his. His jeans are blue. It means for the things of the boys, we use his, HIS, his. Now look at this. Dash SHOES, shoes are ARER, BLACK, black. Now who is wearing black shoes? You can see the picture. Yes, the girl is wearing black shoes. Now what we use for her shoes? Her, HER, her. Her shoes are black. Now look at this picture. Dash SOCKS, socks are ORANGE, orange. Now who is wearing orange socks? You can see the picture. Yes, the girl is wearing orange socks. So what we have used here? HER, her. It means for the things of the girls, we use her, HER, her. Okay, beta, now we will read the heading of the page number 24. Read it with me. USEUs, OF of, HE he, and SHE she, HIS his, and HER her. Now we will see the first sentence. You can see the picture here. There is a picture of a boy. It means we are talking about the boy. Number one sentence is dash ISSARRBOY, boy. Dash is a boy. Number two sentence is dash NAME, name. ISSHAHMAD, Ahmad. Dash name is Ahmad. Number three sentence is this is dash pen. This pen is of the boy. Now number four sentence is he ISS, he is doing, DOING, doing dash WORK, work. He is doing dash work. Means the boy is doing his work. Now we will fill these blanks like this. First sentence will be he is a boy. In first dash we will write he. H will be capital. Now close to H you will write small e. HE, he. Why H is capital? Because in the start of the sentence, first letter is always capital. Now come at number two sentence. Now we are talking about the name of the boy. Means it is his belonging. So we will write here his, HIS, his. His name is Ahmad. We cannot write here he name is Ahmad. Okay. Now come at number three. This is dash pen, his pen, because it was boy's pen. Okay. Now come at number 4 sentence. He is doing dash work, his work. Again we will write his in the blank. Okay beta, now come at number 5 sentence. Dash is a girl. Now here you can see the picture of the girl. Dash Name name is Saba, Saba. Now we are talking about the name of girl. Number 7, that is dash book, BOOK, book. Now we are talking about the book which is in hands of girl. Number 8, she is reading dash book. Now the girl is reading her book. Now we fill these blanks. Look at this. She is a girl. What we will write in number 5 sentence? SHE, she. What we use for the girl? She. Okay, now come at number 6. Dash name is Saba. Now we are talking about the name of the girl. That is Saba. So what we will write here? HER, her. Her name is Saba. Number 7 is that is dash book. It is Saba's book, so we will write here her book because we use her for the things of girls. Number 8 is she is reading her book. HER, her book. Okay, now come down. There is heading USE use, OF of, THIS this, and THAT that. Now I will tell you the use of this and that. Here you can see this is used for the near, which things are close to us. Near, close means हमारे पास होती हैं, हमारे करीब होती हैं. And THAT that we use for the for things. For means FAR, for means दूर, जो हमसे दूर होती हैं. Now look at this. First ball is close to the girl. She is using this for first ball, and second ball is far from her. So she is using that, THAT that, for the for. Okay. Now we will do the page. Number 24. First sentence is dash is a tree. TREE, tree. Now you can see the tree is close to us. And number 2 sentence is dash is a man, go, mango. Now mango is far from us. What we will write? This is a tree, THIS this, and that is a mango, THAT that. Again we will write T capital because it is in the start of the sentence. Okay beta, now come at number 3 sentence. Dash is a table, TABLE, table. Now table is far from us. Number 4 is dash is a man. Now the man is close to us. And number 5 is dash is a ball. Ball is far from us. Now what we will write in these blanks? Look at number 3. That is a table. THAT that is a TABLE table. And number 4 is this is a man. Okay, because man is close to us. And number 5 is that is a ball. THAT that is a ball because ball is far from us. Okay, now you can see the full page. You will do it like this. Here we have done 2 concepts, use of he, she, his, her, and use of this and that. And I think all of you have understood it very clearly. And thank you, and Allah Hafiz till the next class.